Today we have some urgent news from Honduras, where a green alert has been declared for rain in 10 provinces. Let's dive into the details. Copeco has issued a 72-hour green alert due to rains with electrical activity, causing floods in these regions. This measure took effect on Friday, June 14th at 5 p.m. to prepare for potential flooding and landslides. According to the National Center for Atmospheric, Oceanographic, and Seismic Studies, SENEOS, a low-pressure system is expected to bring rain, strong winds, and electrical storms over the weekend. This system, situated close to El Salvador, will produce abundant cloud cover, rain, and occasional moderate showers. We can expect scattered electrical storms, with more significant intensity in the western, southwestern, southern regions, and central areas of the country. Particularly, municipalities near the El Salvador border may see daily rainfall accumulations of 100 to 150 millimeters. In the capital, heavy rains have caused severe flooding in various streets of the Central District this Friday. Main roads affected by the floods include Suyapa Boulevard and Centro America Boulevard, along with commercial streets in the Kennedy neighborhood. Despite the adverse weather conditions, there have been no reports of accidents or injuries so far. However, the state of the streets is causing significant traffic congestion in the affected main areas. Stay tuned for more updates and make sure to take necessary precautions if you're in these areas. Stay safe.